Guys, so here we are with question number 8. So for question 8, it says students create a table that lists processes observed in nature. So here are the processes. We have 4 processes. These are the processes, and these are the changes that they observe. So it says fungus decomposing organic matter, leaves using carbon dioxide to make sugar, plants using nitrogen to make protein. And the question is asking, which process describes only a physical change? So we're looking for the physical change, which is telling me that right here, we are going to have 3 chemical changes, and we're going to have only 1 physical change. The one that I want. Okay, this is the one that I want. I want the physical change. We focus so much in questions. They're going to be about chemical changes, chemical changes. Here, I'm looking for the one that is the physical change. So it's not going to fall under the criteria for chemical changes. I know that we've gone over chemical changes all the time, and I've always told you guys, when we're talking about physical changes, sometimes we think color change, the change in size. But something that I've told you, keep these in mind. The state, okay, a change in the state of matter is a physical change. Oops, change. The change in the state of matter is a physical change, not a chemical change. Okay, I don't know what happened right there. That's letter G, C-H-A-N-G-E. So then this is what I'm looking for, a physical change, or if they're talking about a change in the state of matter, that's what I want. I don't want the chemical changes. So there's going to be one of these, and the one that I want, 3 of these, 3 chemical changes. So if you see a chemical change right away, do not choose it. And a lot of us, we tend to do that. We're like, oh, chemical change, let me get it. This is it. No. So then we're looking at the 4 processes. And as you can see, we have letter A, we have letter B, letter C, and letter D. Process 1, process 2, process 3, and process 4. So let's go ahead and go back to the question. And right here, I'm just trying to fit in the question into the frame. I know that I was recording and I was showing the whole question, but it would make the information a lot smaller. So let me go to what we used to talk about before, which was we brought this acronym and we said, you know what? This is how we're going to remember the chemical changes. And the letter C was for country or city. Girls or guys love their big old smart phones. So this is something that we told you. Go ahead and write it down right away. So now what does the letter C stand for? Well, we say this is a change in the color, or gas production, or light production, or thermal energy. That means something gets hotter or it gets cooler. Bubbles. The fizzing goes with the bubbles. The odor. The smell, or formation of a precipitate. Okay, so if any of them are here, we're not going to be including it over here. So let's see those changes. Fungus decomposing organic matter. Once we see the word decomposing, that means that something's breaking down. So this is a chemical change. Leaves using carbon dioxide to make sugar, going through photosynthesis. This is a chemical change. Plants using nitrogen to make, so they're creating right here, also creating sugar, also a chemical change. Water evaporating from salt water. Look at that. This is actually a change in the state of matter. So this is this one. This is my physical change. So that means that this is the correct answer. Okay, physical change. This is chemical, 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 and this is physical. So my correct answer is going to be letter 4, or process number 4. Letter D, process 4. And excuse that question there at the bottom. So then right here, my correct answer is going to be letter D. Thank you, guys. I'll see you. Enjoy the rest of the day. Take care and stay safe. Bye-bye.